Hey guys, I'm in Clatskanie at the Heritage Car Show, and Eric's going to talk about his 60 Volkswagen here. So Eric, what do you got going here?
Well, I have a 1960 Volkswagen double cab pickup truck, but a crew cab, kind of unusual vehicle.
Okay.
This particular vehicle belonged to my dad.
Sweet.
Was his daily driver. He bought it in 1970, drove it all around the United States.
Wow.
Ran it until the mid to late 80s when he parked it because the floors had rusted out of it. Lives back in Missouri. I've always been a Volkswagen guy. Grew up with Volkswagens. So when my son was reaching the age where he wanted to get involved with cars, we figured what better thing to get involved with than a Volkswagen. Picked up the phone, called my dad, said, hey, you got 4 or 5 Volkswagens out in your field there. Can we come back and grab one?
We want one.
He was all over it.
And that's what you got.
So we hauled it back from Missouri, 4,000 mile round trip.
Nice. Well, let's go take a look at it.
Took us about 6 years in total. Got it in 2014. Started the work immediately, and then it did its unveiling in SEMA.
Oh wow!
In 2021.
That's a big accomplishment.
Yeah, it was in the. It's got a really high-end stereo system in it, and it was in the MB Court booth.
Okay, you got your ads for it. All right. Yeah, the stereo sounds nice. I used to install them, so you know I got a keen eye for that stuff.
Yeah,
it's
if
just
you checked out the subwoofer box down there. All custom fiberglass kick panels, dash pods.
Okay, speakers up there. Sweet.
All the LED lights.
Little roof rack.
Yep. Then we did 4-wheel disc brakes. It's on air ride. Cut out Porsche Fuchs wheels, powder coated in black.
Boy,
A big motor, a 2276 Volkswagen motor, Porsche fan shroud, dual 40s or 44s on this one, Weber 44s.
So on this one, do you have another one?
I have several at home.
Holy cow!
This is the nicest one I have. The other one that's currently running and driving is an 11 window original paint 1966 bus.
And are you gonna restore that one?
I've done that one. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. This is my high-end one.
Okay. Yeah,
but you know, a lot of people don't understand or realize that the tailgates on these do fold down so that it could turn into a flatbed.
Okay.
Flatbed truck. A lot of people think that it's a modified bus. That I cut up a bus to make it a truck, but it's not. This is the way it came from the factory.
Yeah.
And then just a lot of unique little things, the door bars.
Yep, very nice.
You know, custom made, custom machined billets. These,
I was noticing those. That don't look stock.
That's not stock. Had a really ugly kind of bracket. And then we designed these, machined them out of solid billet. Yeah, it's been a fun project for us.
Well, very nice.
Lots of little details.
Yeah. Well, very nice, man. Thanks, Eric, for talking to me.
Nice
Good
to meet
meeting you. And I'll probably see you around.
Okay. No, thanks for taking the time.
Yeah.